Hi children, welcome to Narayana Life Classes. Today in social assignment of 4th class, I am going to say the choose the correct answers. There are 10 choose the correct answer. Let us go with first one. The northern plains stretches from dash in the west to dash in the east. So from where to where, from which state to which state, the northern plains has spread out. So the answer options are Haryana, West Bengal, Punjab, Assam, Punjab and Arunachal Pradesh. So the correct answer is Punjab and Assam. The northern plains stretches from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Then second one, dash soil are majorly found in the northern plains of the country. Which soil is found in northern plains of our country? So the options are alluvial, black or clay. So the correct answer is alluvial. Alluvial soil are majorly found in the northern plains of our country. The next, third one, the high peaks of the Himalayas are visited by dash from all over the world. The people who visited the high peaks of the Himalayas, what they are called? So options are mountaineers, explorers or inverters. So they are called mountaineers. So these are the very first one. The northern plains stretches from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Alluvial soils are majorly found in the northern plains of our country. The high peaks of the Himalayas are visited by the mountaineers from all over the world. The next, fourth one. Dash protect us from the dry cold winds blow from north. So which region protects the the dry cold wind from the north to our country? So what are those? Andes, Alps or Himalayas? So which mountains are protects? So those are Himalayas. Himalayas protects us from the dry cold wind blowing from the north. Next, fifth one is the Gangetic Plain in the northern part of our country is known as the dash of our country. So the Gangetic Plain is also called, what it also called? Options are wheat basket, football or rice basket. So the correct answer is B, football. Football. Next, sixth one. Dash are useful in carrying out trade and communication with other countries. What are the useful? Which type of landform is useful? Passes, valleys or plains? So the correct answer is passes. Passes are useful in carrying out trade and communication with other countries. So once again see, the Himalayas protects us from the dry cold winds blowing from north. Then the Gangetic Plains in the northern part of our India is also known as the football. Next, passes are useful in carrying out trade and communication with other countries. So next is seventh one, the Himalayas provides valuable dash and forest dash. What the Himalayas provide us? Options are wood, spices, rubber, charcoal or timber products. So answer is C, timber and products. The Himalayas provides valuable timber and forest products. Next, eighth one, dash is the main occupation of northern plains. What is the main occupation of the people in northern plains? So options, transport, agriculture or livestock. So correct answer is agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people who are living in northern plains. As water is available in plenty, at the same time the land is plain, so most of the people they used to occupy the agriculture profession. Next, Natula and Khyber are the dash in the Himalayan regions. What are the Natula and Khyber? They are called passes, valleys or plateau. So correct answer is passes. Natula and Khyber are passes in the Himalayan region. So once again see, the Himalayas provides valuable timber and forest products. Agriculture is the main occupation of the northern plains. Then Natula and Khyber are passes in the Himalayan region. So next, last one is, the northern plains covers dash kilometer long. From where to where, how much kilometers it has, how many kilometers it has stretches. So see, 2300, 2450 or 2400. So the correct answer is C, 2400 kilometers it has covers. Northern plains has covered 2400 kilometers. So these are the choose the correct answers of assignment class 4. Thank you so much. Thank you all.